Role of free prostate-specific antigen, FPSA, in modulating gene expression involved in prostate tumor growth. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Worldwide, prostate cancer, PCA, represents the second most common solid tumor in men. Prostate-specific antigen, PSA, is a serine protease that is widely used as a surrogate marker in the early diagnosis and management of prostate cancer. The present study examined the effect of enzymatically active FPSA in modulating gene expression in prostate cancer cell lines using gene array analysis and real-time quantitative polymerase chain reaction, qPCR. The physiological relevance of tissue PSA levels and their role in prostate tumor growth and metastasis are not known. Free PSA, FPSA, was purified to homogeneity from human seminal plasma by column chromatography, eliminating HK2 and all known PSA complexes and retaining its protease activity. The final quantitation of PSA was based on double-determined enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, ELISA, using polyclonal and monoclonal anti-PSA antibodies. The FPSA was characterized for purity by STS-PAGE Western blot analysis using anti-PSA and anti-PSA complex monoclonal antibodies, and by 2D gel electrophoresis with silver and antibody staining. Confluent monolayers of prostate cancer cell lines, PC3M and LNCAP, were treated with FPSA in a series of in vitro experiments to determine the changes in the expression of various genes that are known to regulate tumor growth and metastasis. Male athymic bulb C nude mice, 5 weeks old, were used in the study. Gene array, quantitative polymerase chain reaction, qPCR, and enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, ELISA, results show significant changes in the expression of various cancer-related genes in PC3M and LNCAP cells treated with FPSA. In a gene array analysis of PC3M cells treated with 10 mum FPSA, 136 genes were upregulated and 137 genes were downregulated. In LNCAP cells treated with an identical concentration of FPSA, a total of 793 genes was regulated. qPCR analysis reveals that the genes for urokinase type plasminogen activator, UPA, VEGF, and PIM1 oncogene, known to promote tumor growth, was significantly downregulated, whereas IFN-gamma, known to be a tumor suppressor gene, was significantly upregulated in FPSA-treated PC3M cells. The effect of FPSA on VEGF and IFN-gamma gene expression and on protein release in PC3M cells was distinctly dose-dependent. In vivo studies showed a significant reduction, P is equal to 0.03, in tumor load when FPSA was administered in the tumor vicinity of PC3M tumor-bearing bulb C nude mice. Our data supports the hypothesis that FPSA plays a significant role in prostate tumor growth by regulating various proangiogenic and antiangiogenic growth factors. This is the first observation to document that treatment of prostate cancer cells with FPSA significantly modulates the expression of various growth factors involved in tumor growth. Such a change may be responsible for the suppression of the growth of prostate tumor xenograft in nude mice as observed. In view of the current findings that PSA may have tumor protective activities in vivo, it is interesting to speculate that increased expression of PSA may also be an adaptive host anti-tumor response. Further research in this area is warranted. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.